How's it going, folks? It is 7:47 p.m. Central Standard Time on January the 15th. I'm just going to do a quick update for you. This is our Schumann resonance for today. Looks like we had some decent activity going on. Shows our power at 30, 34, and 62. So, yeehaw for disclosure, right? The Italian model shows like nothing happened. Clear skies, according to the Italian model. But there's something else that I wanted to talk to you about. Let's go to here, our National Buoy Center. Look at all of those buggers going off. I mean, these are going off all over the place. So, and there are stories all over the place talking about the tsunami. I mean, they had 4 foot hitting the East Coast. Santa Cruz was flooded. I mean, so all of these buoys were legit. There was tsunamis. Hopefully, you guys have been watching the news and you've been getting those alerts and you've been seeing them. I don't keep up a whole lot with this. I try to, like when I see things going off, I'll try to, let people know something's happening. But I try not to focus on the destruction because there's a lot of it, and it's like we're gravitated towards bad things, and I don't want things to be bad. I want to try and keep it on the positive. Yes, it was a bad thing, but I will also definitely give you warning and say, hey, watch out. But I don't like to show those kinds of footage because I don't like seeing people losing their lives or people losing their ways of life and seeing all the pain and the heartache. Because it's a tragedy to see, and I'd like to try and keep things on the positive and as much love and light as possible. SpaceWeatherLive.com. We are looking at the Enlil. That's what this is. This is Enlil, the Anunnaki god, the Sumerian god. Enlil prediction model. You guys remember this one here? Remember the one I showed earlier? It kind of came around and when it swerved around like a curveball, just kind of went around everything, like because they don't do that. Notice how all of a sudden it's coming out straight now. They changed it. They're like, oh, they changed it. I'm wondering if somebody's following my channel and they're noticing, like, oh crap, he's throwing us out there. Just kind of makes you wonder. Makes me laugh. Now, since our sea flare this morning, we did have a couple other sea flares pop off. So, but they're nothing super major to get overly excited about. However, our KP index is definitely going up, just pretty much what I was suggesting. Let's take a look at our sunspots. Let's go over here to SDO, and we will come down and look at this. We have 9 sunspots total that can affect us. Whew, boy, we are definitely going to be off the charts for this solar cycle, I'll tell you what. Now here's our KP index, and as you can see, we are up here at 5. It might bounce back up here and touch 6 again. So you can see that we did have a little bit of recovery and then right back up again. So we're going to have some auroras for those of you in the northern, above 55 degrees in latitude. I'd definitely get outside and start looking around. You're probably going to get some nice auroras. Lasco C2 and C3. We're actually going to start at Lasco C3, and here it's actually, I moved it forward from where we left off, and we can clearly still see a nice round object. And here once again, we've got a bird of prey, if you will, kind of saying hi to us over there. And let's kind of go through this together. I haven't quite gone through this one yet. Oh, there's just activity everywhere. Look at that. There's another bird. There's another warbird. Oh, look, that could be a TR3B, like a triangle. Let's zoom in on him real quick. Oh, nope, it's a bird. Another warbird of prey. Folks, we are at war. Star Wars. Oh, Bohr Cube. They didn't want us to see something. And we'll come over here, and we'll get this guy up really quick. But first, and now this is the last frame. I want everybody to notice, look at this. We got 2 dashes here, and oh look, another like a battle formation. There's 3 of them right here. But let's go ahead and back this beautiful bean footage up right to where he was coming off. Now if you watch, of course we got a friend up here. Right up in here, it looks like we might have something coming out. Another planetary type object. Look at that. It looks like there could be 2 of them right there. Right next to it. I don't know. We'll have to check that out on seeds. But before we go to seeds, look at that. Boy, they're just taking off. Zoom. What was that Mazda commercial? Zoom, zoom, zoom. Oh, look at that. Looks like we might have another one right here. What in the frag? Now go look at that. And here's one right here zooming and taking off. And that's our last frame. Yeah, let's actually go over here to European Space Agency first. Now you guys remember when I showed you guys this earlier, they didn't quite have it showing off, going off yet. And then Enlil had it coming around, you know, doing a curveball coming around behind us. Well, this one actually shows. Now I want you guys to pay attention to this right here. Now you notice how that CME coming off is perfectly curved like this, right? Perfectly curved like a crescent moon. Okay, because you know it's all there's quite a bit of plasma, and then off the back side, same thing, right? Now watch the one that comes off up here. Okay, we've seen all those on the left side. Look at this. Do you see how it's bent? Like there's something large and round in front of it, and it's pushing it away. Look at that. It's bent. You see that? There is something right here that's causing it to bend. Look at these. These haven't done that. They're curved completely perfectly outwards, but this one is bent because there is an object, you know, like Nemesis right here in the center of it, and it's being pushed off and away. Now that is something. Now also, if you notice, it looks like we're going to get a glancing blow of it. So on the 16th, so tomorrow, looks like we're getting a glancing blow tomorrow. Oh wait, no, excuse me. The 17th. 17. Isn't Q the 17th letter in the alphabet? Just making an observation. Over here at seeds, we're going to take a look at this. Obviously, we've got Nemesis right here. Remember I showed you just on Euphoria from European Space Agency, the plasma is around it, right? So it wouldn't stay nice and curved like this. It's coming in and then goes completely around Nemesis, and it's being pushed off. Oop, I'm going to have to hit the next button, sorry. So we can see that. Oh, that is just such a beautiful photo of it. So we're going to see it getting pushed off, but let's keep an eye on the top side of the disc. Remember I said it looked like there was one? No, it looks like there's one. There could be one here. Oh, that was it. So that could be one. Oh yeah, see it moving? Look at that. Right here, watch, it moves in the plasma. Look, it goes back and forth. Look at that. Yep, there's definitely one there. Definitely one there. So that was a secondary. So what was that? And of course this one stops, unfortunately. And so we can't really see a good time. Notice the time that it's stopping. 1624 UTC time? Or 1824? That's 6 p.m., 6:30 UTC time. It's currently almost 8 o'clock. At 6 hours. That's 2 a.m. tomorrow. Why am I not getting any other footage besides this? You think they're trying to scrub the data? And according to Soho, let's go see 2 over on ISWA, which is a little bit more up to date. Look at this, 1836 right to 2148. There's 3 hours and 12 minutes that they're not going to show us. They're scrubbing the data, folks. Just as I thought. Dadgummit. Gosh, that really annoys me. Oh well. Stay safe out there, folks, and remember, love is the only way forward.